All right, it's been a long, well, not only a couple days, weeks. So tonight we finally just got the internet fired up, tested. It was quite the ordeal, but so I'm chilling out, getting my primal sun, having a leftover spaghetti dinner. I'm going to show you my view. I got an open food plot that way. The pond I got cleaned up nice, so it's a much prettier view. I'm going to bring you up to speed on everything that's been going on. It's been quite the adventure. It's like a blur, but exciting stuff. Finally, we got the internet connected. It's been a process, so definitely stay tuned. Let me show you the new food plot view this way. Let me turn the camera around. So there's a new view from kind of outside of my window also. I'm renting a drill on Friday, and I'm planting soybeans, about 8 to 10 acres worth. So lots still going on, which will continue to go on probably for years. But finally we got a win. I mean, we got a big win. We've had several wins, we've had several knockdowns, but this internet was a big win after all the troubles we've had. So thanks for joining us. Hit the like button and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.